First, I'm gonna give you this 2x2. Okay, turn it and tell me how it feels.
Feels very fluffy.
Okay.
It honestly, it's kind of rackety.
Is it loud?
Yeah, it's very loud. It's not very smooth.
Mm-hmm.
I like the colors though, and
Stickerless.
yeah, it's probably a no name brand, so it's probably pretty garbage. But very fluffy. Yes.
Okay. Now, I will give you this one. And Natalie, do you want to do the last one? Okay.
Oh, this is magnetic.
Yes, that one is magnetic.
It's very fluffy. It
Yes.
like flips into place.
Okay.
But it's made by Gan or Gaze or but
Okay.
it's very fluffy.
Okay. Do you want to try? You can pick up the last one. It's a customized.
I'm
What's your review on
what
that one?
happened? So
Why'd you destroy my Rubik's cube?
I'm confused. I don't.
You
believe
have
I did.
powers. You just killed the Rubik's cube.
Is it?
Not
Does it
very
have?
sturdy,
Does
is
it? Is it? Does it have good turning? Does it have good turning?
I mean, it turns.